Welcome to this tutorial on how to install GitHub for a group project in our DGS course. We will follow roughly this outline, this tutorial, Happy Git and GitHub for our user. And I'll be focusing on this part, installation, which starts with telling you that getting this installation done is kind of already half the battle. So that should be good motivation. The first step we're going to do is register a GitHub account. And I assume that you've received an invitation to join your group's account. So if you don't have a GitHub account yet, you click on that invitation. Now it asks you to pick a username. Should have something to do with your name. People, people appreciate when they kind of get an idea of who this is. And still it should be unique. This is kind of my second one, so that's why I'm adding that too. And the email address I'm going to use here just so that it's not associated with my existing account. And I guess I need some kind of password. Okay. Okay, now I need to solve a problem. Verify Spiral Galaxy. I guess that's something like that. Here. Okay. I've proven that I'm a human being. Email preferences, no. Join a free plan. Here we go. Accept invitation. Now I have I'm a member now of this existing from my other account, HH1. It's the test repo, and I'm one of the collaborators on this now. There's just two files in there, a git ignore and the R project file. So I just created this as a demo file. That's all we need right now. And so let's go to the next step. So the next step we're going to worry about is step 6, install Git. We assume that you've already upgraded R Studio when you started the course. So to install Git, the one tricky part, I think, is we go to R. Oh, now my project's not open. R Studio, I mean. What we're going to do is, I can't see what's happening up there. We go under Tools and get a terminal, new terminal. And that's the trickiest part to do. Allow access. Okay, let's hope this works. And so now let's go back to this here. What the first thing we can do is just check whether we have Git. Maybe we're lucky. Oh, that didn't work. Which Git? Okay, it doesn't recognize this. I